Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to review Android ice cream sandwich on Xolo X900, Lava Xolo X900 phone. This phone has recently got the Android ice cream sandwich update. It is right now running Android 4.0.4. So we will do a review of this interface, the new change which we. Let me just show you the Android version on this phone. Let's go to the settings. So if we go to about phone, you will see the Android version. So it is right now running Android 4.0.4. At the home screen, you can easily notice there is a lock symbol which you see normally on any other Android phone which is running Android ice cream sandwich. If we move the lock symbol, we can see either we can unlock the phone or we can easily launch the camera by dragging this thing over here. And this is the camera interface, which has been changed a lot in terms of the look and feel, as well as in terms of the overall speed of capturing photos. So here you have different modes which you can see. This is the default photo mode with which you can easily capture a photo. So as you can see, we can easily capture the photos, and it does take some time to actually focus before it captures the photo. Then you have other modes like video mode over here. This is how you can go to the video mode. There is another new mode which is called the burst mode. So in that particular burst mode, if you want to capture an object which is moving, you can capture that. So you just need to tap over here single time and it will take multiple photos of the same object. If the object is moving, that would be the best scenario if you want to use this mode. Apart from this, you have the regular settings like flash, where you can easily turn on and turn off the flash. Here you can increase the backlight compensation, and basically you can adjust this particular thing. By tapping over here, you can go to the camera settings. You have different scene modes, as you can see, for night, for landscape, for people, and for low light. And if you want to see the photos which you have captured using the camera, you can easily take a look over here at this bottom bar. There is a small thumbnail for all these images which you have captured. Apart from this, you do have pinch to zoom again, which you just need to enable once you tap over here, and then the pinch to zoom will be enabled, and then you can do pinch to zoom using two fingers like this. Apart from this, you can also specify how much number of images you actually want to capture in the burst mode. The default is 15. You can go to medium, that is 7, or you can also go to slow, that is 1. And you can always toggle the front camera from here. I can show you. So this is how you can toggle the front camera. Apart from this, you do have the feature which is available on all the phone which are running Android ice cream sandwich. You can always create application by dragging one application over the other, and then you can create a folder. And this is how you can create a folder. As you can see, you can name this folder as well, like this. Another thing which we noticed is the dialer. The dialer interface has been changed a lot as compared to the previous one which was there on Xolo X900. Here you see a big dialer with big numbers which you can easily see, and then you can always go to the call log from here. You can go to the favorites contacts which you would like to add over here, and you can do a contact search from here. So the phone interface has been changed. You do have the new browser on Xolo X900, the default browser which comes on Android ice cream sandwich phones. You do have the option to go to different tabs from here. You can add as much number of tabs as you want to, and this interface is again the default browser which is there on Android ice cream sandwich. want to see all the applications which are running in the background, you just need to tap and hold over the home button, and it will show you the list of all applications which you can easily kill by swiping like this. As far as the interface is concerned, the interface has become more fluid after the ice cream sandwich update on Xolo X900. It is much faster than previous. The overall response time in the interface when you launch an application is much less as compared to the previous state when it was running Android Gingerbread. Apart from that, you have some extra icons as applications which allow you to launch the camera. This is a new icon which has been added, or you also have a different icon which is called social gallery. This basically opens the gallery of the phone. The look and feel of the gallery is just like any other stock Android phone interface, and you can also share these images simply by tapping over here. There is nothing new which we noticed in the gallery as far as the interface is concerned. The 95% of the overall interface is almost stock Android, which you see on any other phone which is running stock version of Android. As far as the customizations are concerned, there are some customizations being done in the camera interface which we just shown you, and then you have some other applications which comes installed when you so some other application which we noticed which has been installed on this phone after the update is the Xolo Care application, with which you can actually contact the support of Xolo phone by calling them, by sending them an SMS, or by using email. So they have specified all the support related information in this particular app, which will definitely help you if you are using this phone. That's all from us regarding the review of Android ice cream sandwich running on Xolo X900, the Lava Xolo X900. The phone has got Android ice cream sandwich. The interface has become much more smoother, much more faster as compared to the previous version, and it has got some new applications which come pre-installed. The camera application has been enhanced a lot. Apart from that, the overall customization which we see on the interface is not much. Most of it looks like the stock version of Android, and there is not much customization which has been done. Apart from this phone has become pretty responsive with this particular update, and we will come up with more information on if we notice any new features on this phone after the Android ice cream sandwich. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.